The way you spend the first 5 minutes of your morning quietly decides the rest of your day. So let's begin it right. Settle in and gently close your eyes. Let your body settle into this moment. Feel the weight of your body supported beneath you. Relax your shoulders, let them drop away from your ears. Soften your jaw. Unclench your hands. There's nothing to hold on to right now, so let everything heavy simply rest. Let's begin with the breath. Inhale slowly through your nose and release it with a soft sigh. Again, breathe in and let it go. One more time, a deep breath in and out. Notice the quiet of this moment. The day hasn't started yet. The world can wait a little longer. Nothing is required of you right now, except to be here. Bring to mind one thing you're glad exists in your life this morning. It can be small, the warmth of your bed, a person you'll see today, or the simple fact that you woke up. Hold it gently in your attention and let yourself feel a quiet thank you. Let that feeling of gratitude grow a little wider now. Beyond this morning, think of one person who has shaped who you are. You don't need to call them or even tell them. Just hold them in your heart for a moment and silently wish them well. Now imagine the first light of sunrise resting on your face. Feel its warmth touch your forehead, your cheeks, your chest. With every inhale, that golden warmth spreads a little further down your arms, through your hands, into your belly, down your legs, all the way to your feet. And with every exhale, imagine the night leaving your body. Any heaviness, any worry you carried into sleep, dissolving like mist in the morning sun. Let's take a slow journey through your body now, just to say good morning to it. Bring your attention to your feet and your legs, thank them for carrying you. Move up to your stomach, your chest, rising and falling, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, and finally your face. Soften every muscle there. Your whole body is awake now and at ease. Breathe in, light, breathe out what is finished. Stay here with the breath for a few moments more. There is nowhere you need to be, nothing you need to fix. Just the gentle rise and fall of your own breathing. Each inhale a small beginning. Each exhale a quiet letting go. Whatever happened yesterday, it's complete. You don't have to carry it into today. This morning is unwritten, and the pen is in your hand. So before we go any further, let's write the first lines together. Picture yourself moving through this day, calm and unhurried. See yourself handling whatever comes, with a steady mind. Imagine one moment today, going exactly the way you hope it will. Hold that image. Let it feel real. Your mind is already showing you what you're capable of. Now, I'll offer some intentions for your day. If they resonate, repeat them silently with me. Before we begin, place one hand gently over your heart. Feel it beating. It has carried you through every single day of your life without ever being asked. This is the rhythm you're starting your day with. Steady, alive, and entirely yours. Today I move at my own pace. Today I meet myself with kindness. I am allowed to begin again. I choose what deserves my energy. I am calm in my body and clear in my mind. Take a breath here and let these words settle deeper. They aren't just words, they're the truth of who you are when the noise falls away. Small steps are still steps. I trust the direction I'm heading. I welcome this day exactly as it comes. Now take one final deep breath in, fill your lungs completely, hold it for a moment, and release it slowly, all the way out. Carry this calm with you. It doesn't end when you open your eyes. It's a place inside you that you can return to anytime the day grows loud. And when you're ready, softly open your eyes. Welcome back. The day is yours now, not to survive but to shape. If this brought you peace, subscribe and comment day 1 so I know you were here. I'm wishing you a beautiful morning.